In this video, we will describe how to use personal protective equipment, or PPE, and shaving cream to perform a hands-on disease transmission activity. This activity is designed to explain the importance of PPE. The activity guide with discussion questions can be found on bluenotflu.org. This activity will take about 5 minutes to set up and will take about 10 minutes to complete. You may complete this activity with any number of participants. Hard floors and a trash bag will make cleanup easier. If possible, it is also beneficial to be near a bathroom, sink, or hand washing station. To set up this activity, you will need the following supplies: shaving cream and PPE such as coveralls, gloves, shoe covers, and face masks. Only one set of PPE is necessary, but having several sets is beneficial to allow multiple participants to wear the PPE. It is best if not all participants have PPE, but rather just a few volunteers, so that most participants can observe. Once you are ready to begin the activity, ask at least one volunteer to come to the front of the room to dress in PPE. The more PPE they put on, the better the demonstration will be. You may wish to explain that the volunteers can pretend they are a veterinarian or animal health technician and they're going to a farm, examining an animal and collecting samples, and that the shaving cream represents body fluids from the animal, such as saliva, blood, or manure, which all could be contaminated with a pathogen. Once dressed, ask the volunteers to cup their hands together while you fill their hands with shaving cream. Encourage them to rub the shaving cream around on their hands. Next, ask the volunteers to remove the PPE. It is best to not offer guidance or strategies for removing PPE and allow the volunteers to think through that on their own. As volunteers remove their PPE, encourage observers to notice whether any shaving cream is getting on the volunteer's skin, clothing, floor, etc., and discourage volunteers from wiping away if that occurs. Once all participants are able to see the challenge of removing PPE without spreading a potential pathogen, allow volunteers to be seated. Conclude the activity by covering the items under Discussion in your instructor guide. For more information and additional activities, visit bluenotflu.org.